Hey guys, my name is Steve. Welcome back to Wilmer Woodworks. Today we got an unboxing of a 36 by 24 inch Harbor Freight tool cart. I also was able to pick up one of their nifty trucker hats. So we'll just do an unboxing and an installation today so you can see how it's put together. And if you have any questions, of course, as always, leave them in the comments below. This actual tool cart here, I'm not actually going to use as a tool cart. I'm going to recondition this into a nice grilling station for my Ninja Woodfire smoker out on my lanai. So let's get straight to it. So I noticed that when I was putting this together, this here is bent. So we're going to do our best to unbend that. And I'm wondering too if you guys have ever had anything damaged like this right out of the box from Harbor Freight. Now this is just sheet metal, so it is kind of to be expected with the packaging that they use. But for the cost, I mean, you kind of hope that it isn't bent. Alright, well, hopefully that gets us back together. Uh-oh, looks like this side is bent too. Oh man, this is gnarly. Just bend that one back into place too, I guess. Okay, so now I am genuinely curious if anyone else has gotten this. So this says on part 2, they want me to use these bolts to attach this handle. But in order to get this through that hole, I have to re-drill that. That doesn't fit through that, but that says bolt 12. I should have used bolt 12 for the top. So that's got to be a typo, because I'm going to continue to use these little guys. I think these bolts are only used for the feet. Unless there were some in here. Are these bigger? No, these are the same size. Yep, those are for the feet. So I'm not sure what that's about, so let's continue getting to this. Alright guys, so that's the assembly of this tool cart. It is 36 by 24. Let me get a tape on this on how tall this is. I was worried it would be a little too short, but it should be okay. 32.5 inches tall. So 24 by 36 by 32.5. It's a decent size. I'm going to do an insert in here of some 2x material so I can bring my grill even up a little higher, and then I'll have a nice little workstation off to the side that I could put my cutting boards, my meat, and things like that. So stay tuned for that build. That'll be coming up in the next week or two, and I hope you liked what you saw. Let me know in the comments below. Have you gotten one of these carts? Have you encountered the bends or the issues that I have? I did figure out what the issue was with the hardware. They sent 2 different hardware packs. The first hardware pack had the small hardware for all the sides. There was a different screw for these handles. It was just a little bit longer. It's sheet metal. I don't really know why it needed to be longer. Now the only thing I did notice too is when you do this, this handle does flex a little bit back and forth just because there's not enough material. If they made this bracket a little bit wider, I think that would have been great. That's my initial 2 cents. Like I said, be sure to tune in for the build when I do get this ready to go on my lanai. Alright guys, my name is Steve. Thanks for watching, hanging out with me today. If you find that you like the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, hope you subscribe. Be sure to watch one of these other videos or playlists or anything that might be coming up on the screen. Alright guys, take care.